Okay, here cleaning some aircon units. As you can see, dirty old filters. Probably 7 or 8 years old, these aircon units. Probably never been cleaned. Just cleaned these ones here. Cleaning the aircon units, doing deep clean. Got some cleaning product. It's a nice smelling product as well. This one hasn't been cleaned yet. You can see the filter's been taken out. You can see all the grounding, it's not nice in there. This one has been cleaned. I've checked all the outdoor units and gas pressure testing, and they're all working fine. So now all the filters have been cleaned 2 or 3 times. We put them back in the machines and give them a final check over. So now we have the filters back in, the machine is all clean. Check the gas pressure upstairs, everything seems good. Got a thermal imaging camera, so we can see now where the air comes out. Nice even airflow. And the room temperature here is going to be cold today, yeah, 16 degrees. So empty house. So coming out there 26, rising 27. I think that is job done.